وصف حور العين in Jannah. The description of حور العين in Jannah. Now I want to give you a little description of حور العين of Jannah. And please do not compare your wife to حور العين of Jannah and say, you don't look like حور العين. Keep the niqab on. You know, you don't want to say that. Okay, no. حور العين, we have حور الطين. طين is the mud. We have حور of mud. We don't have حور العين. حور العين is something unique. And you can only find حور العين in Jannah. And look what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about the men who will go to Jannah. يقول وَزَوَّجْنَاهُمْ بِحُورٍ عِينٍ. And we married them and we give them wives from حور العين. See, men, their focus is women. No. Am I right? How old are you? He's 6. Call me when you're 16. Call me when I'll ask you the same question when you're 16. He said no. Cash, no credit, straightforward, no. Our focus is not women. Subhanallah, how innocent that answer was. He said no. Absolutely, for your case, no. No.